Hi guys, and hope you all are doing well. I'm your host and host Puneet. In today's video, we are going to understand how you can recover your corrupted and formatted memory card using a software in your laptop. This is one of the biggest nightmare for photographers when they're stuck in the middle of a situation where the card got corrupted or formatted. In that situation, we have to go to the most of the recovery service provider who charge a lot of money to recover their cards. And if I tell you in 2025 you can do it at your home with your PC without charging lakhs of rupees, I think you're going to be get shocked. I also shocked when I heard about Wondershare Recover It. By the way, this video is in English language. I know most of my audience watches me on YouTube. They're all Indian and they do understand Hindi a lot. But since the brand wants me to make a video in English because they want to reach out more global audience, that's why I'm making this video in English so that I can also help and support other country people how they can recover and solve this problem at their home with their PCs. Recently, I've tried this software called Recover It. Of course, this video is sponsored by Wondershare, but this is my genuine opinion because I have tried and tested in 2025 how I can recover easily my corrupted and formatted memory card at my home without any problem. That's why I'm making this video to you guys. So first, let me take you through the website of Wondershare Recover It. If you guys know about Wondershare, Wondershare makes a lot of softwares for video editing, for photo editing, as well as this kind of recovery softwares available at their website. Wondershare is one of the famous brand. I think most of you guys know because the Filmora software is very popular. Most of the creators are using Filmora softwares to edit their videos. Now this software claims that this can recover 99.5% of your SD card formatted data. And in fact, this supports most of the formats as well. If you have a video format like AVI, FPL, MP4, and any of the video format, it's got deleted. If it's document, if it's audio file, if it's a compressed folder, or any photo file, RAW, anything else, or in fact PPT and Excel format as well, it can able to recover. And this works with PC, USB flash drive, in fact NAS, as well as memory card. Memory card is something which we are going to talk about a lot because this is one of the key problems which most of the photographer faces. In fact, hard drives as well you can recover. And other camera storage such as a digital camera, if you want to connect directly to your camera with your laptop and you want to recover, that facility is also available with this software. It basically comes out very simple 3-step solution. Just you need to plug in your device or storage device, and then the software starts scanning the product and then scanning the drive, and it help you to recover it. You can just download this software. Then you can here is the icon of the software. Let me open it up for you to see how this process works. So here is the software. Here's how it looks like. So if you're not paid this software yet, if you did not buy the subscription, you can just plug in your memory card on your desktop, and then you can just scan your drive and see if it's showing that the photos can be recoverable. If it's recoverable, then you can of course purchase a subscription, or if it's not recoverable, then not an issue, you can just let this software go. So right now I have this memory card which is connected to my card reader. Now I'm going to plug it into my laptop and I'll show you the exact process how it does work. Let me allow this drive. Here is my drive. So it's right now empty. So let me put some photos and then we see how this recovery process works. So I've kept some photos on this memory card. Let me format this by using disk utility, and here you can see the storage. It's showing it's 45 MB occupied. Let me erase this. So it got formatted right now. It's done. Let's see, the data must be not there in the disk. It's empty right now, right? Let's try to recover it. So I've just selected this particular SD card recording option, and it's already start scanning it up, right? And it's showing that deep scanning it started, and some 20.59 MB data can be recovered in just of a 30% of a scanning. And it's right now recovering, scanning the overall drive. And let's see how many data it can found. Okay, so it's already started showing me these images can be recoverable. So let's select all these images and recover it. Yes, so I want this to be there at my desktop. Okay, so it's already recovered. Let's open this folder, and here you can see in the JPEG I have these recovered file. And it all depends how much data you're going to recover. It also takes 1 or 2 hours depending on your PC's performance. Right now I'm using a MacBook which has a M4 Pro chip. That's why he recovered images so quickly. So this is how this software works. It recovers the data so fast that you can be always tension free if your card got formatted or corrupted by any of the reasons. As I mentioned before, it can also do because a hard disk if it's installed in your laptop and that also get corrupted. That kind of recovery also this software can do. Also, disk to image, this feature is also available. The desktop recovery is also available. Time machine, it means if you want to see a previous data, that this can also help you to do it. Selected folder if you want to recover specific folder, or trash folder or your recycle bin if you are using a Windows system. So these folders also can be recovered independently. Same as we also have a NAS recovery option, and if you know about NAS, it's a basic network attached storage. If you want to recover, that facility is also available. And if your system get crashed or your computer got crashed, then this can help you to recover that too. So this software basically has all that option, keep you hassle free to recover your corrupted data in just a peanut of price. This also support video files, by the way, so you can recover video files as well. The pricing is very affordable. So the monthly price for Mac, if you have a Mac user, right now I have a MacBook, the monthly pricing it costing right now is $79.99, and it works for 2 Mac systems. And you can take an annual plan, which I would recommend, which is around $89.99, and then you can just pay $10 more and get this software for an year. So it means you can recover your entire files, formatted, corrupted drives and files for an year without any tension. You can see this price in INR as well. The monthly price is 6,700 rupees and annual is 7,500, which is really affordable, and it works free first of all. So that's it about in this video. If you want to buy this software, if you want to check out this software, then go to the Google and hit Wondershare Recover It website, or if you're a bit lazy to type, then I have put a link in the description. Go to the description, click on the link and do visit the website to download or try this software for your upcoming recovery project. I hope you love this video. If you do, then do comment in the comment box. Stay tuned guys and keep on shooting.